There is a lot of talk about artificial intelligence and how different auto GPTs, auto agents, and a lot of other things related to artificial intelligence is coming forth. But what exactly is the future from here? Where do we go from here? In this video, I'm going to throw some light on few of the facets of what future looks like in terms of AI. Of course, nobody can predict it, but still we can make some educated guesses. So let's see. I think that the future of AI is revolving around few of the prisms like multimodal, enterprise grade, proactive, and so on. When I say multimodal, what it means is that today we see slivers of multimodal um, LLMs such as for example, GPT-4 allowing for both images and text, and then there are a lot of other variations on it too. So LLMs or large language models will become large multimodal models. You will be able to input output numbers, text, tables, images, videos, audios, sensory cues, and much more. Second thing will be enterprise grade. Many of the state of the art systems are in research or beta. Recent releases from Databricks and AWS highlight what is to come for enterprise in the next 2 years. Data security is crucial, and productionization and accessibility is a hotbed for investment. Then systems need to be proactive and predictive, but are largely not taking preventive action these days. When a part is predicted to break, a new one will be ordered through AI. If it seems like you are going to work late, your morning meetings will be moved automatically by your scheduler with AI. It's prediction layered with aligned intervention in AI terms. Then it has to be goal oriented. We are already seeing hints of this with Agent GPT. Rather than lay out the steps, you lay out the goal. Or in other words, instead of telling it first do this, then do this, you will just tell it, I want this by this date. And then it will, you will approve the steps and then AI agent will do it. It has to be value oriented too. And that is what future looks like. For example, Anthropic is leading the charge with constitutional AI. We'll be able to uncover and embed personal, team, company, family, city, country values into AI systems and be customized accordingly. That is just for an example. So get clear on your value system now for your organization. Integration is another key. AI will not be constrained to your laptop or smartphone. More devices will become embedded with the technology, and there will be more inter device communication and bio device connection. Well, it's all very exciting, but a lot to take in and plan for. This is not exhaustive list, of course, and there are plenty of other tenets and principles I want out of my future AI to make it more responsible and equitable. So I believe we are still not even scratching the surface of AI. There is a lot to come. There will be lot changes, lot variation. So stay tuned. Thank you.